Good morning. Today on the bench we have this Sony DD Walkman. The case looks actually terrible. Let's hope that device doesn't look like that. Okay, device is kind of filthy. And we have some damage over here, but mostly there is a filth. Okay, and this one is a very nice unit actually. This is DD30, that one with mega base option. Oh, we do not have screws. Those screws are still intact. Okay, this one is holding fine. We do not have battery cage, not cage, but closing. This one is spinning around and around and around and around and around. Okay, stop spinning. And also there should be like a tie to remove the batteries. Let's check. Okay, I have some batteries. Let's see if the device is showing some signs of life. Let's put in some basic cassette, just very basic. And let's see. Okay, so rewind. Oh, can you hear it? We all know that this is broken gear. That center gear is actually. Oh, but it's still playing, you know, still doing something, yeah. Maybe let's then put in some other cassette and let's just test it. This one will be good enough. Okay, potentiometer is a bit scratchy. Yeah, but sound is going from the device, and this means that we do not have to deal with some nasty capacitors, leakages with fibers and so on. Okay, so let's then do our magic, and let's fix this device. When you are removing this part, be very careful because this spring is vicious, and it just flies away, and you will never find it again, because it is going to 9 dimension instantly. Okay, still hold it. And actually what I like to do, I like to just put some tape, sticky tape right here, not to deal with this when we will have to put it again inside, because it's kind of very tedious process. So let's try to do this right now. Punch roller is still in good condition, you know. Yeah. There is absolutely no need to change it, and it doesn't have any, you know, indentations or whatever. Head looks also kind of clean, and it was used device. Oh yeah, it definitely was used device. My nail a bit grabs, but not some major hard usage, you know. Okay, so this device also have that servo chip that has most of DD Walkmans. Let's unsolder those connections. Okay, so to do that I'll have to prepare my soldering iron. 1 second. Okay, so let's continue. Good, and what about this? Yes. You can clearly see that we have damaged or broken gear. Okay, that's kind of not a big problem. We will have just to replace it with the new one. And good, so let's start then. But before starting, let's make a photo of all of those wires, because they are known to break, and then lots of problems instantly happens. So 1 more second. Okay, so let's continue. Wow, what the hell? Jesus, this looks very nasty. I have not seen that kind of... Oh, it is turning into the mush. Good. We will have to deal with this instantly. Okay, further, what we have to do, we have to remove the buttons. come here, come here, just like that. Now let's remove the screw. Then this gear tends to fly away. And we will have to remove that FG coil. To do this, you have to unscrew those 3 screws right here. And then what I like to do is just put this up and twist aside like that and out. This is the best method I have learned to remove it. Then this washer, and from there I think we have just removed this one. And it will pop out. Just like that. We can see how it's broken in. Of course we do. Okay, so I'm gonna use this repair kit from Fix Your Audio. So let's remove the old. Let's remove that clutch, and then it easily goes out. Just like that. And we'll have to just screw all the screws down. And since Fix Your Audio is a nice guy, he added one additional screw if you, for example, miss it somewhere. Good, so center gear is in the place. Okay, so right now we can clean a bit. Now about this part. This washer is a bit contaminated, so let's clean it good, and also this part. And clean all the surface where the clutch goes. Good. Washer. Then the clutch itself. Okay, and then just we have to just put everything back together. So procedure is not very difficult, but it requires some job, yeah. This part is also tends to break sometimes, so we have to check it, and from what I can see we have a tiny crack. Yeah, we have a tiny crack. In this case I would like to use some super glue and just use a tiny bit of it. Okay, so this one dry out, so we can put this back again. And when you're putting it back, this plastic lever should be between those brackets. This one is very nasty. Let's use a knife. Maybe it was stored in some nasty place or whatever, but this is the first time I see that this idler tire becoming as a goo, you know. Well, device was stored in the very bad conditions. Very bad conditions. Okay, so mostly it is clean. So this one done some damage. Let's use new part. Okay. Good, then let's maybe clean instantly this one, because right now it is better. Then it would be great to oil the motor a bit. Okay, good. And oh, we have some dirt on the pulley. Let's remove it. Okay, now it's clean. Good. But at first, let's add a bit lithium grease right on top of this thing. And let's put this one back. Okay, and at this time I think we can do some small test. Let's put batteries in. Quietness. Quietness. And play. Also perfect. Let's stop that. Auto stop is also working, so cool. This part, mechanical part, is fixed. All right, now let's okay. Right now, what we can do also, we will have to clean head very good, pinch roller, and I think this will be it. But before everything else, let's remove that potentiometer, because it was scratchy. Let's put it in the next position. I think we will have to remove it to clean it good, because it's very closed. Okay, so in this case, let's remove solder joints. Okay, so how to clean those potentiometers, this type, actually. There is kind of simple method. There is two latches. You have to undo those. Just like that. Second one also. Okay, then from this point we can lift out all this. And in this place we have to clean inside. Let's remove this part. And let's clean this. Okay. And at last, these thingies. Just like that. What I also would like to do, and let's polish a bit this part because it doesn't look nice. Then we will use this thing. It is potentiometers for potentiometer cleaner with a tiny bit of oil. So I like to soak Q-tip and put this thing on the surface of these, also inside. And at this point we can just assemble it. Then we have to press those guys down. It should be fine. Then those switches, let's give them some treatment. Good, so right now let's put that back. Now for this part, maybe I will search for some nylon strap so that for the customer will be a bit easier to remove that those batteries. No. Okay, so I'll be back soon. Some strap. Let's try to make it the same length. Okay, and we will just glue this down right here. This should hold nicely, and it will be easier to remove batteries. Let's hope that it will be easier. I have not tested it right now, but yeah, it will give some opportunity, you know, to better remove the battery, yeah, because you can grab from it, and yeah, it will be fine. What we can do right now, we can do a bit of cleaning, and then we will check the dolby levels and also azimuth and so forward. Okay, so right now let's clean everything inside. Yeah, look at that. Very filthy. So we can just now check azimuth, dolby levels, and so on and so forth. So I will do this off camera, and I'll put some photos in the video. But before all of those procedures, let's check parameters. What do we get regarding rewind, fast forward, and so forward. Okay, something like 90. Then in another direction also, and play LT.30, and back tension is like 5 grams, so very good results. Okay. Okay, so let's check tape speed and wow and flutter. Speed is in the okay side, wow and flutter. It's it's a bit on the higher side. So wow and flutter, it is what it is, but it is still better than most of the players can provide. So we are something in the 0.07, 0.08 range, yeah. But I think that idler have also to break in, so result will be better after some time, yeah. So that's it. Right now I'm gonna just put the device all back together, and we will test it as always with some music. So okay, so right now let's put everything back together, but before that let's clean a bit those. Sad that we do not have the screws for that side, but it's not a problem. What we can do about this one? I'm thinking maybe there is a way to fix this. It's still a bit wobbly, but this is due to that part is so messed up. So I'll try to do this off camera, and I'll be back with the result. Okay, so this is the final result, and it is now not wobbling anymore like it was before. Okay, so right now I'm gonna just assemble the door then. So till then, right now let's fix the azimuth screw. Now about the door. Door doesn't look very nice. Okay, now the door looks much better than it was before. But somebody already was inside the device and tried to repair it, but with no luck, because I think he or she seen that there is no belts and only that gear, and because of this decided to just not even try to fix anything. Right now let's put the door. So that's it. Let's grab some headphones and let's test it. So let's put in the headphones, A or B, it doesn't matter. Let's grab cassette. Before that we can, what also we can do is to do tape head demagnetizing again. Let's put in cassette. Yeah, just like that. And let's play it. Change the side. Okay, so it plays just fine. Sorry for that short demo. This is because YouTube restrictions, and I just cannot manage to slip through them. Yeah. So this will be it for this nice Sony Walkman. I think customer will be very happy. It's a bit sad that there is no battery compartment door, but it is what it is, and in the end we managed to make this perfectly working device. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. As always, please consider supporting my channel. Also, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.